A thought occurred to me the other day that I wanted to explore. Of all the Disney resorts in the world, Anaheim, Orlando, Paris, Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Shanghai, which is the most expensive and which is the least expensive? My parameters are one night in an on property hotel and a 1 day admission ticket. That's it. Just keeping it very simple, not factoring in airfare, as that's going to be different for anyone who watches this video. No food, no magical genie fast pass I paid extra so I can cut in front of you tickets. Just how much the mouse will charge you to allow you to walk through the gates and lay your head at night for 1 day. Simple, right? And the day we're working with will be May the 2nd, 2026. So in this video, I'm going to go from the most expensive to the least expensive. And if you want to play along, pause this video right now and drop your guess in the comments. And please, no cheating. It should come as no surprise that the resort most keen to suck the most money from your wallet is Walt Disney World, specifically Magic Kingdom. On our selected date, a 1 day, one park, no park hopper ticket will set you back $211.94 or $199 plus tax. And at the end of an exhausting day of crisscrossing the park, trying to find the shortest lines, dodging strollers, and enjoying a Dole Whip, we make our way out of the park and over to the bus station where we wait for our bus to take us over to Disney's Art of Animation Hotel. Now, this was the least expensive option for our date. For 1 night of restful sleep, it will cost us an eye-watering, take a deep breath now, $641. Was I surprised at that? Yes. Yes, I was. Our day at Magic Kingdom cost us $852.94, or we can just round up to $853. Moving into the number 2 slot is none other than the original, Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Same one park, 1 day, no frills parameters, and we're still on May the 2nd. Walking into the original Magic Kingdom will cost us $199. It's actually the same price as the other Magic Kingdom, but the taxes are different. Who thought California would actually charge less tax than Florida? Color me shocked. Okay, end of the day, we're full of churros, our feet are sore, but we managed to see what we wanted to see. We leave the park and walk past the Grand Californian, past the Disneyland Hotel, and hang a left to get to Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel, where we pay an ever so slightly less painful $534 for a night's rest, bringing our day at Walt's original park to $733, $120 less than Orlando. Almost makes me want to buy a lightning lane. Well, I'm glad to see that the two most painful parks are behind us. What's next? Moving on to number 3, we find ourselves on Lantau Island in Hong Kong for a visit to Hong Kong Disneyland. Personally, I really enjoyed this park. It's the smallest of all the Disney parks, but that just makes it feel more intimate. And it's home to one of the very best dark rides Disney has ever done with Mystic Manor. To get in is going to cost us 939 Hong Kong dollars, which converts to $119.91. Our day will include multiple rides on Mystic Manor, at least 2 on Big Grizzly Mountain Runaway Mine Cars, Frozen Ever After, the Jungle Cruise, and more. At the end of our day, we will take the bus to the Explorers Lodge, where we have paid 3,220 Hong Kong dollars, or $411.18 to stay in this richly themed property. Our total stay here is $531.09, or $309 less than what Walt Disney World would cost. Continuing on our travels to number 4, we are traveling about 800 miles northeast to Shanghai, China, and another excellent Disney park. Walking in here will cost us 799 won, or $116.88. We're going to have a great day here. We're going to ride the best Pirates of the Caribbean attraction in the whole world. Take a voyage to the Crystal Grotto and have a hamburger that tastes almost very kind of similar to what we're used to back home. It's been a full day and we're pretty tired. So we're going to make our way over to the Toy Story Hotel, where a room will cost us 2,760 won, or $404.89, bringing our total cost to $521.77, or $330.42 less than in Florida. Down to the final two. How are your original guesses holding up? For number 5, we're heading 5,750 miles to the east, to France, about 20 miles east of Paris and Marne-la-Vallée to Disneyland Paris. I think that this is by far the most beautiful Disney park in the world, so keep your camera handy. We walk under the Disneyland Hotel at the entrance and buy our one-day ticket for $112.50. Yes, you heard me right. Almost half what it costs in Orlando and Anaheim. We enter the park, see the best version of the Haunted Mansion, the second best version of Pirates of the Caribbean, and enjoy an excellent hot dog at Casey's at the end of Main Street. After a full day, we leave and make our way to Disney's Hotel Santa Fe. I needed to get creative here, as apparently the only way they sell the hotel is as a package with park tickets. So the package was $509.91, including 2 days park admission. Deduct the price of the admission of $112.50 times 2, and that gives us a one-night stay of $284.91, or $397.41 for 1 day, one park. That's $455.53 cheaper than Orlando. Are we starting to see a pattern here? Okay, this is it, the final one, but I got a feeling you knew this one all along, didn't you? These are the best Disney parks in the world, hands down. Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea. We're going to explore Disneyland, and to walk in will cost us 10,900 yen, or $68.36. Now that's 67.7% less than Magic Kingdom. Our day is full of fun. We're going to see the original redhead on Pirates of the Caribbean, the original Country Bears, the only Splash Mountain left in the world, Jungle Cruise, Swiss Family Treehouse, and the Western River Railroad. At the end of our full day, we're going to head over to the Tokyo Disney Celebration Hotel, where the price to lay our head is 34,500 yen, or $217.59, for an amazing total of $286.34. That is $567.05 less than Orlando. So that's it. What'd you think? Were your initial guesses accurate? What are your thoughts on the price disparity? Could you fly to Tokyo Disneyland for less than what you would spend to drive or fly to Walt Disney World? You got to admit, that is interesting to think about. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this, and I would truly appreciate your subscription to my humble channel. And likes. They take a second for you, but they help me out tremendously.